This video demonstrates light guide systems in a kitting cell process. In this large footprint cell, the process begins with visual guidance for alignment of a sequencing rack. A vision sensor confirms when the rack is in the proper position, auto-advancing to the next work instruction and guiding the user to open the cart and wings for each part position. The vision sensor confirms when the sequence rack is ready for loading. The process continues with the pick and scan instruction, with a flashing arrow guiding the user where to pick from, and the user confirming the proper pick by scanning a barcode on the part. The user is then given the place in cart instruction with the proper position in the cart illuminated by a flashing visual indicator. Once again, vision sensors confirm when the part is properly loaded, auto-advancing the process to the next set of pick and place work instructions. This cycle is repeated until the first three parts are loaded. On the floor adjacent to the sequence rack, the light guide system is also projecting each part number relative to its position in the rack as a secondary level of work instructions for the user so that he does not have to view this information on a monitor or display. As the user completes loading of the third part, again with the proper position in the cart illuminated by a flashing visual indicator, the system then advances, instructing the user to close the left rear wing and right rear wing sequentially. Once this initial load sequence is completed, light guide is now ready to repeat the process for the next set of sequencing locations until the rack is fully loaded.